when you're packing a school lunchbox, the most important thing to consider is where's that lunchbox going to end up. It can often sit on a shelf or in the bottom of a school bag for many hours, and that's not always the safest way to keep your food. Think about ways that you can make your lunchbox safer. Sometimes some processed foods can be a little bit more resistant to bacteria than homemade food. So think about store-bought mayonnaise rather than homemade mayonnaise, processed cheese rather than soft cheeses, and also canned tuna instead of ham. Also think about how you can keep that food cool. Refrigerated lunchboxes, eskies, even freezing a kid's drink bottle in the summer can be a great way to do that. And this isn't just for kids as well. Adults too need to remember to keep their food healthy and safe, and also extra soap and water for hand washing when they go away for summer picnics. If you want more information about any of this stuff, go to the SA Health website.